Alternate treatments for irritable bowels. In this fast pace of lifestyle, irritable bowel syndrome can be a disturbance. Though it is not life-threatening, the incurability makes a person life miserable. This is mainly because the symptoms connected to irritable bowel syndrome are completely comfortable and often require the immediate care of a person. Sometimes people switch over to modern medicines to get relief from the symptoms of the irritable bowel syndrome. Nevertheless, some would like to go for alternate medicines or remedies and use only natural organic ways or traditional methods of treatment for curing this syndrome. Some alternate cures available to the people are: 1. Acupuncture. This therapy is based on the life force and is known as qi, comes from qi of Chinese. It is proved that the imbalance in a person's qi can result in various ails. Acupuncturists try to remove this imbalance with the help of thin needles especially used for this purpose. The needles will stimulate the pressure points of the body, thereby energizing life force and thus qi become more balanced. Acupuncture also aids to relieve stress and relax and reduce pain, though the procedure is quite painless. As the needles used for the purpose are too small and never cause any pain, they will work out well. If you only comfortable with the needles, go for acupuncture. Acupressure developed due to the acupuncture will induce the nerves and the pressure points which is situated in different parts of the body, and through specialized body massage also this acupuncture can be done without using needles. 2. Ayurvedic/herbal remedy. Certain kinds of herbs are very useful in recovering from the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. The two main kinds of medicinal herbs used for treatment are: 1. Teas. All the medicinal herbs are steamed to take out the essence of it. The process in which the herbs get immersed in the hot water delivers certain enzymes and also ingredients that are nutritious and that are needed to solace the symptoms of the irritable bowel syndrome. Thus whenever a patient drinks, he can be sure that the essence of the extracts is going into his stomach and thus he gets the nutrients. Different types of herbs are used in the formation of the tea, which could also give the desired results and can be used as a flavor also. B. Medicinal supplements/capsules. Essential ingredients of medicine or herbs will be engrossed in the capsule, and thus taking it as a supplement will get the nutrients of the herb or essential oil required by the body, which is produced out of various plants. Since oil can be very irritable to the digestive system and can trigger the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. So taking it in the capsule, the nutrients shall be able to pass through the stomach as well as the intestine, which can help in alleviating the symptoms without causing any soreness. 3. Hypnotism. The mental state is quite connected and affects the irritable bowel. Some may consult a psychologist to make sure of their mindset. Hypnosis captures the subconscious mind of the human body, thereby allowing him to release his stress and come out of it. This type of therapy is preferred only when the attack is only mild and fewer symptoms are found.